In today's video we're going to be looking at a little indoor flyer that's got a camera on it. I was quite impressed with this camera. So when you're stuck indoors, when it's raining or snowing or you can't go outside because it's too windy, how about getting yourself one of these little guys? You've probably seen this one before. It's the H801 from Furibee. Much like the F16 from Furibee, but that didn't have a camera on it. I was and really am impressed with the camera on this one. You can see it's only about as big as the palm of my hand, and there's the Wi-Fi antenna on it. So it's FPV basically. It allows you to see what the camera is seeing and fly through some narrow openings, and that's what we're going to do today. Before we do that though, just a quick heads up on the rest of what comes with the 801, the H801. It's got a little controller that comes with it, and you can see because this one has got a spring-loaded controller that it's altitude hold. So it will definitely hold its height without you having to worry about controlling it. And how do you actually put the camera on? It comes with this piece as well, and basically that piece just hooks into, pops into the back of the controller. If I can do that, wow! So it's basically, yeah, that's how it hooks in the back of there. It just slides in, and your phone goes into the back of that, so that you can see what it sees. The one downside I've found with this, and I know other people have said much the same thing, is once you put your camera on it, your phone on it, it does tend to feel a little bit heavy and pulls back a little bit. That's probably about the only drawback on it. I quite like this little one. Comes with spare props, of course, and a USB charger. So let's just go and have a look at some flying around through narrow gaps that I found at my place, just to give you an idea of what it actually can do. So there you go. It's not a bad little indoor flyer. I quite like it. It's just a little fun extra. Obviously it's nothing like a big outdoor drone or a GPS drone with gimbal, but when you're inside, it's really a terrific little guy. It does flips as well, which I'm not going to bother showing you about today. It has a return to home feature, which I'm not really fussed on, and why would you need it? It only flies out to about 30 meters anyway, and it's for indoors. I did try flying it the other day, and there was a breeze coming into my unit and didn't really handle it all that well. So you want it to be in an absolutely still environment, windows shut, or a completely still day if you decide to go and try it outside. I'm going now. Thanks very much for watching. Don't be too sad. I'll be back. See you on the next one. Bye.